elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notification. So as the title suggests, I do not dream of labor or clutter. What that means is there is a movement going on right now called the I don't dream of labor movement. Basically, that movement is about people stating that they basically don't dream of labor. They don't have a dream job. Their dream or their ideal situation is not to wake up and go to work at a 9 to 5. They want to work to live and not live to work. I do understand that mindset to an extent because I'm sorry, I have to work. So I don't necessarily dream of labor, but I do have to perform labor. So I thought that aspect was a little interesting. Some people on the internet said that's more of a entitled lifestyle way of thinking, which I definitely understand that. So I do understand both parts of the I don't dream of labor mindset. But for me, I don't dream of clutter. So what that has me thinking is, a lot of times we'll think about getting a bigger house or trying to have a more closet space, or we complain about our bedroom size, or complain about not having a storage or things like that. And when you think about it, actually having more closets, bigger homes, those are all wonderful things, trust me. But have we actually tried to utilize what we already have? Have we tried to work on systems in place, and instead of complaining about what we have, let's try to make the most of what we have using systems. And the number one thing we should be trying to do is decluttering and living with less. So when I say I don't dream of clutter, yes, I could have a bigger house. I could have a storage in the backyard or different things like that. But what I'm trying to do is just live with what I have and appreciate what I have. If you're not in, or if you're not subscribed to my blog, which is www.decoratorsvoice.com, please check it out, because on that blog I give you tons of tips on how to declutter your home and declutter your life. That way you can fully maximize the space that you do have instead of complaining about it and not doing anything with it. I'm sure even if you're in a tiny home, there are ways that you can actually utilize every square feet of your tiny home. So with my videos and also with my blog, I would like to share all of those different tips and techniques. So please head on over to my blog, which is decoratorsvoice.com, and check out some of my decluttering tips. I have tons of decluttering blog posts and then also some videos which show you some step-by-step guides. So yes, I no longer dream of clutter. If this video gave you any type of insight, or if it was funny, or if you just enjoyed the analogies, please hit the subscribe button and then also smash that like button just to show that you like it. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Hey, engagement is engagement. I want to know what are some of the things that you're interested in. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a divine day. Goodbye.